Hey, welcome to Cryptopia. We're here at the school today and it's Independence Day, and as you can see, they're setting up a party behind us. They're actually going to have a big piñata right here in the middle of the courtyard. That would have been impossible a few weeks back, but thanks to your help, helping us get this gravel put down, the kids can really enjoy this event. Thank you so much. So yeah, as you can see, like I said, we're really setting up for a party. We're getting the balloons up and it's really going to be a fun day. And Independence Day is a really special day for these guys because they really don't have a chance to have a lot of parties. So today's one of those special days. So there's still a lot more projects here we want to do at the school. Like I said, putting the gravel down was just the first of many small steps in the right direction. But, like I said, we really want to build a kitchen. We need to put in proper bathrooms. We want to put in a playground. We want to put in an internet room so the kids have access to better education. There's so many things that we really are going to be doing. So basically what she just got done saying in the local Mayan language is called Kaqchi. It's 26 local indigenous Mayan languages. But what they're saying to the kids is that we're going to do a race, then we're going to be doing a dance, and then we're going to be having some fun with the piñatas. So look forward to that. Go, go, Andy, go! Go! Go, inside, go, 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 go! All the way up, all the way, go, go, go! So as you can see, everybody's having a great time here today. They're getting ready to start their dance right now. And like I said, we do a lot of community projects here at the Utopia Experience. So if it's something you would like to get involved with, feel free to send us an email or contact us through Utopia Eco Hotel. But like I said, we just got done putting this gravel courtyard down, and there's a lot of other projects that we really want to do. We want to build washable bathrooms, a kitchen, playgrounds. We also want to put in gardens. So like the sky's the limit. If there's anything that you'd be interested in helping support with, let us know, and we'd love to talk to you about it. Hey everybody, thanks for joining us. As you can tell, everybody had a great time today. Thanks for helping us get this courtyard down, and we'll see you in the next video.